Hey everyone, we're here at 111 Redbird Lane in Bells, Texas. This is a beautiful custom home. It's just under 5,200 square feet. It sits on a beautiful 1.6 acre lot that overlooks a beautiful pond. This home has everything that you're looking for. It's 4-bedroom, 6.5 bathroom. The master has a his and her bathroom, which is super cool. And it has all of the high-end finishes you're looking for. It has 2 bedrooms upstairs that could be, or 2 rooms upstairs that could be converted to a bedroom or an in-law suite if that's something that you need. And there's just too much to talk about. Let's go take a look at it. One of my favorite things about this home is all of the covered porch space, and you've got the outdoor kitchen. You have this beautiful backyard with some of these trees back here that overlooks the pond. You have everything that you could imagine in a custom home, and it's just absolutely gorgeous out here. It's so peaceful. You're on this huge lot. If you guys have questions about 111 Redbird Lane here in Bells, Texas, be sure and reach out to me. Once again, this is Corey with the Meals team. I hope you're doing well, and I'll talk to you soon.